Are you ready to start your homestead journey but not sure where to begin? The first step is to assess your goals and needs. Imagine your ideal homestead. Is it a vibrant garden bursting with homegrown fruits and vegetables? Or perhaps it's a bustling farm complete with clucking chickens and grazing cattle? Maybe your dream is to live entirely off the grid, harnessing the power of the sun and the wind. The possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. Prioritize what's important to you. Is it self-sufficiency, sustainability, or simply the joy of nurturing life from the earth? Your vision serves as your compass, guiding you on this exciting journey. It's okay if your vision evolves over time. That's part of the adventure. Remember, your vision for your homestead is the foundation of your journey. So take your time to figure out what you truly want. Once you've defined your vision, it's time to research and plan. This is the stage where the dream takes shape into a practical, actionable plan. Let's delve into the three major areas of focus: homesteading practices, local regulations, and climate considerations. Firstly, understanding homesteading practices is crucial. This includes knowledge about sustainable farming, animal husbandry, and off-grid living. There are many resources available, from books to online courses and forums, that can provide you with a wealth of information. Remember, each homestead is unique, and it's important to tailor these practices to your own needs and goals. Next, we move on to local regulations. Every region has its own set of rules and regulations that govern activities like building structures, keeping livestock, or installing solar panels. It's crucial to be aware of these regulations to avoid any legal hiccups down the line. Reach out to local authorities or consult with experienced homesteaders in your area for guidance. And then, there's climate. Your local climate will greatly influence your homesteading activities. It affects what crops you can grow, what animals you can raise, and even the design of your homestead. Researching your region's climate and planning accordingly is vital. Once you've gathered all this information, it's time to create a detailed plan. This should include your budget, timeline, and specific goals. Your budget should account for initial setup costs, ongoing expenses, and a buffer for unexpected costs. Your timeline should be realistic, allowing for the inevitable bumps in the road. And your goals should be clear, measurable, and aligned with your vision. Remember, this plan isn't set in stone. It's a living document that will evolve with you as you embark on your homesteading journey. So, take your time, do your research, and plan meticulously. Each minute spent now will save you hours of trial and error later. Proper planning will not only help you stay organized, but will also set you up for success in your homesteading journey. Now that you have your plan, it's time to get started. But remember, start small. It's natural to be excited and want to dive into this new adventure head first, but it's essential to pace yourself. Think of it as planting a seed. You wouldn't expect it to grow into a tree overnight, would you? Likewise, your homesteading journey begins with small steps. Consider starting with a modest garden. A few tomato plants, lettuce, or a small herb garden can be a fantastic place to start. As you nurture these plants and watch them grow, you'll gain valuable experience that will help you expand your garden in the future. Alternatively, you could start with a few chickens. They're relatively low maintenance and provide fresh eggs for your breakfast table. Plus, they'll give you a taste of animal husbandry without overwhelming you. Starting small allows you to learn and grow gradually, reducing the risk of feeling overwhelmed. And remember, every giant oak tree started as a small acorn. As you start your homesteading journey, investing in the right tools and equipment is crucial. You may have heard the old saying, the right tool for the right job. When it comes to homesteading, this couldn't be more true. The types of tools you'll need will greatly depend on the goals you've set for your homestead. Are you planning to grow your own food? Then quality gardening tools are a must. How about raising livestock? You'll need the right supplies for that too. Now, it's important to remember that not all tools are created equal. Just because a tool is inexpensive doesn't necessarily mean it's the best choice. After all, you want tools that will last a long time and won't break down in the middle of a crucial task. So how do you choose the right tools? Research, and more research. Look into different brands, read reviews, and ask for recommendations from other homesteaders. And remember, quality often comes at a price. It might be tempting to save a few bucks, but investing in quality tools now can save you a lot of time, money, and frustration down the line. Also, consider the functionality of the tools. Some tools can serve multiple purposes, which can help you save space and money. And finally, take care of your tools. Proper maintenance can greatly extend their lifespan and functionality. The right tools and equipment can make your homesteading journey much smoother and more efficient. Lastly, it's important to embrace the learning process. Homesteading, like any worthwhile endeavor, brings with it a unique blend of challenges and rewards. It's a journey that's as much about personal growth as it is about growing your own food or raising your own livestock. As you venture into this new lifestyle, you'll stumble upon unexpected roadblocks, face unforeseen circumstances, and even make a few mistakes. And that's okay. In fact, it's more than okay. It's a key part of the process. Each hiccup, each misstep, each challenge is a learning opportunity in disguise. So when you find yourself facing a situation you didn't anticipate, take a deep breath, pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and ask yourself, what can I learn from this? These moments of reflection are where the real growth happens. They're what will transform you from a novice into an experienced homesteader. And remember, adaptation is your friend. The ability to adapt to new situations, to pivot when circumstances demand it, is a key skill in the homesteader's toolkit. It's what will allow you to navigate the twists and turns of this journey with resilience and grace. So, stay patient and persistent. Relish the challenges as much as the victories. And most importantly, enjoy the process of building your dream homestead. Remember, every step brings you closer to your goal.